Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve one example from practice set 1.4 of 9th standard mathematics 1 lesson number 1 sets. In this particular example we will solve the example based on the number of elements in the union of sets and intersection of set. For that, one standard formula we are going to apply to solve this specific example. So let's start solving this example. See, we are having one question as if n of a is equal to 15, n of a union b is equal to 29 and n of a intersection b is equal to 7. Then from this given information, from this given data, we need to find n of b. N of b means we need to find the number of elements which are present in set b. So to find this particular number of elements in set b, we are going to use one standard formula. So we are going to write that in the solution. The formula for number of elements in the union and intersection of set is given as n of, here we'll write first, we know n of, now we are going to write the formula a union b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. This particular standard formula we are going to use and then we will find the required answer. In this case we are having n of a in our question, so we know the value of n of a. We are having value of n of a union b which is 29, so this value is also known. N of b we need to find and we are having value of n of a intersection b and that value is 7. So we are having all the prerequisites to find the value of n of b. So in this formula we are just going to substitute the values and we are going to find the answer for it. So let's substitute the values. Substituting given values. See, if we specify each and every step properly, the examiner will understand it more easily. So there will not be any difficulty while checking the answers. So let's put the values in the given formula. N of a union b, we are having its value as 29. So 29 equal to n of a is 15 plus n of b we don't know, so we are going to write as it is n of b minus n of a intersection b, its value is 7. Therefore 29, this 15 we are going to take it to left hand side, so it will be subtracted because here it is having a plus sign, so after changing its side it will become minus. This 7 is minus on RHS. After bringing it to LHS, its sign will change to positive 7 equal to n of b. That is n of b, we are just interchanging the sides, equal to 29 minus 15 plus 7. Therefore n of b equal to, now 29 minus 15, this we need to solve. Its answer comes out to be 14 and in that 14 we need to add 7, so our answer will be 21. But step by step I am writing 14 plus 7. Therefore n of b is equal to 21 and this is the required value of n of b which was asked to find in the question itself. So by this way we can solve the examples based on the number of elements in the union of sets and intersection of the set. Thank you.